Hey friends, if you wish to create program compatibility troubleshooter desktop shortcut, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we have a command line here. All you need to do is right click in the open space, select new shortcut and then paste this path here. Click on next and then name it program compatibility troubleshooter. This will be a very important program. I'll tell you later why. Click on finish. Now, if you are using a system which has a lot of incompatible programs, simply run this compatibility troubleshooter and click on next. Whenever you face this issue, it will list all listed programs and you can run the relevant program with the program compatibility troubleshooter. And then you can restart it after running it with the program compatibility troubleshooter. It will genuinely fix a lot of your problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.